Good day, Ted. I heard you're a good refrigerator repairman, so I thought it would be wise to ask you about this problem I've been having with my unit lately.
Sure, Al, go ahead. I'll try to provide you with the best tips I can, since we are good friends, but don't expect me to do that with the friends you'll send to me afterwards, so they can get free repair tips.
I promise last week was the last time.
Okay then, ask away.
So the thing is that my refrigerator is freezing food and it really makes me very angry. I wanted to enjoy a hot dog yesterday, but when it thawed, it tasted like crap.
Oh, this issue. I can tell you that the most common cause for this is losing refrigerant.
Really?
When this starts happening, the pressure in the system will drop, which will result in the food in your fridge to start freezing. It's a bit complicated, and in a few days, your fridge will start warming up.
This seems that a time-sensitive issue for which I don't have the time or mood. Ah, I hate these problems.
Who doesn't? Anyway, you may also be dealing with a frozen thermistor, which is basically a sensor that's responsible with monitoring the air temperature.
Could this be it?
If it's defective, your refrigerator may cool continuously or may not cool at all.
I understand. Anything else I should know?
Lastly, it could be your control board is defective. Most of the times, these boards are misdiagnosed, so be sure you'll have all of your other components checked to be sure this is the cause of your problem.
You really know your stuff, Ted. I appreciate your help a lot.
Don't mention it, man. Take care.